Hey there, IT managers! Today I'm diving into how AI is transforming IT portfolio management. Whether you're optimizing your portfolio or aligning your strategy, AI has got you covered. First up, portfolio optimization and strategic alignment. AI tools like Planview and Anaplan analyze your entire IT portfolio, projects, applications, infrastructure, you name it. They assess strategic alignment, financial performance, and risk profiles, offering recommendations to maximize value and minimize risk. This ensures your IT investments are always aligned with your business goals. Next, predictive analytics for investment decisions. Tools like Power BI and Tableau use AI to sift through historical data, market trends, and technology roadmaps. They predict potential value and risk of proposed IT investments, helping you prioritize based on expected ROI and strategic impact. This means more data-driven decisions and fewer project failures. Then, there's automated portfolio reporting and dashboards. With tools like Qlik and Microsoft Power BI, you can generate real-time reports and dashboards that offer a comprehensive view of your IT portfolio's health, performance, and risks. This saves you time on manual reporting and provides transparency to stakeholders. Now let's talk about generative AI. For intelligent scenario planning and what-if analysis, tools like OpenAI's GPT-4 and AnyLogic simulate the impact of different investment scenarios and market changes on your IT portfolio. This helps you anticipate risks and opportunities, optimizing performance. Natural language processing, or NLP, is another game changer. Tools such as IBM Watson Discovery and Amazon Comprehend analyze unstructured data from various sources, project documentation, market reports, news articles, and extract valuable insights. This keeps you ahead of market changes with real-time insights. Lastly, automated portfolio communication and collaboration. Tools like Notion AI and Grammarly Business generate executive summaries, project briefs, and other communications tailored for different stakeholders. This improves communication efficiency and fosters collaboration. By embracing AI and generative AI in IT portfolio management, you can enhance decision-making, improve efficiency, align strategies, mitigate risks, and adapt to market changes. Unlock a new level of strategic insight, efficiency, and agility, ensuring your IT investments drive business success. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.